आयतारा नावेलची ग्रामसभा वेगवेगळ्या विशयावेल्यान तापली। रोशनी रॉड्रिगेसान कर्मचाऱ्यांची निवड करपाची प्रक्रिया आनी तांची नेमणूक कशी जाता हाचे विशीं ग्रामसभेत प्रश्न विचारिल्लो। तशेंच सीसीटीव्ही कॅमेरा विशीं थळाव्यांनी प्रश्न उपराशिल्लो। मात सरपंचान खंयचीच सविस्तर जाप दिवंक नाशिल्ल्यान ग्रामसभेत बोवाळ जावन ग्रामसभा रद्द जाली।
Doesn't do it. Every meeting I have requested.
तो आम दाखय म्हणा कित्याचे दाखयती मोबायलाचेर
Why are you talking? Place a proposal. No. Without doing one, make somebody can shout and tell us what he
You are the media representative, right? I hope you know that.
I placed a proposal regarding how are the new temporary staff appointed. So when I questioned the Sarpanch, what was the procedure followed and what was the sections that were used to appoint the new staff or the temporary staff or be it the permanent staff. I just asked him this question, wherein he answered me, we inform the, no, if it is temporary staff, we only give a notice in the church. We don't issue a public notice on newspaper, and that's not required. Okay, so some of the members then during this discussion, some of the members raised their concerns, saying that it was published only in the church, but it was not published in the chapels, even if it is a temporary staff appointment. So during this process, I again questioned him that why is it that only your relatives are being hired. And now I'm coming to their names. It's Meliki Fernandez, who is a Punch member's relative. That is Nettie Coelho's Nettie Coelho. And the other one is Gloria Narona, who is related to Biana, the Punch member of Ratwada. So it is like other youth from our vicinity, that's Naveli, are not getting this opportunity. He is just employing the relatives of Punch members, and he is favoring all his relatives. So our youth is lacking back when it comes to job opportunities. And apart from that, on the appointment letter of one of the new appointees, that is the temporary staff, it is mentioned that rejected. I can give you all the copy of that. And after writing rejected, she is working here.
कॅमेरा आमी गेले ग्रामसभेन आमी डिसायड केल्ले ग्रामसभान रेजोल्यूशन घेतले की आमकां कॅमेरा जाय म्हणून तेजे उपरांत वन ऑफ द ग्रामसभा मेंबर्सान RTI मारली आनी विचारले कितें स्टेटस जाला कॅमेराची आमकां रिप्लाय येयली की बॉडी ग्रामसभा म्हणजे पंचायत बॉडीन रिजेक्ट केलो म्हणून कॅमेरा घालपा नाकाय म्हणून. सो आयज आमी तें परत इश्यू काडलो आमकां कॅमेरा जाय कित्याक सिक्युरिटी जायती मिसयूज जाता कित्याक आतां फाटीं चोयल तुमी TCP ऑफिसान गेल्यारूय थिंगा फायल्स मिसींग येयले आमच्याय पंचायतान हें जावंक शकता आनी भोव करून आमी लेडीज आहाय तेंचेर जायते अशें करून अनवॉन्टेड केसीस घालपा जाताय तेका लागून आमकां हिंगा पंचायतान येयले म्हणटरी आमकां सिक्युरिटी जाय म्हूण आमकां ते कॅमेरा जाय.
कॅमेरा घालपाच्या बॉडीन आमी सद्या कॅमेरा घायलो आहे पंचायता एंट्री गेटीको एक आहा गार्बेजीको एक आहा नावेली जंक्शनाचे आहाय 2 आनी वेस्टर्न बायपासाको आहा नागमोड जंक्शन. सो तें आनी खंय घालपा जाय इन ऑल द कॅबीन सरपंच कॅबीन सेक्रेटरी कॉन्फरन्स रूम स्टाफ आहा बरे सगळे बरे घालपा जाय म्हणटा सो तेंगे प्रपोजल येयला. सो आतां बॉडी डिसायड करतली खूंय घालपाचें. समटायम कितें जाता एक कॅमेराचे सगळे कवर अप जाता सो आमकडे हाय पावर आनी कितें करून जाता तें सो जाय ते घायलो परस एक हेजी कितें जाता तें पण करतली.